Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing GG and your data so the calculation is accurate. Get API keys and permissions, then pull raw impressions, clicks, and total spend. Once done, clean the data and normalize timestamps to ISO 8601 so GG parses them reliably. This avoids mismatched rows. Make sure your CSV headers match GG's schema exactly, because the tool maps columns automatically. Start processing immediately. Don't stall on optional extras, so you can compute CPM and iterate quickly. You now compute CPM inside GG using a calculated metric. Upload your cleaned CSV or connect the API and verify sample rows. Then create a metric. CPM equals cost divided by impressions, multiplied by 1,000 because CPM is cost per 1,000 impressions. Once created, apply that metric to your report and segment by date, placement, and audience to reveal patterns. Make sure to compare segments side by side, since granular CPM explains performance better than aggregate numbers. You finish by validating and exporting results so stakeholders can act. Spot check a few rows and perform a manual CPM calculation to confirm. Once confident, export the report as CSV or PDF and schedule automated updates if this is ongoing. If numbers look wrong, troubleshoot. Check for low impression counts that inflate CPM, missing timestamps that break aggregation, or duplicated cost entries from import errors. If issues persist, revert to the raw CSV and rerun the upload step to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.